Welcome to your Employee Benefits Overview video provided by 208 Benefits. The information provided in this video is to help you understand your benefit options, pricing, and how to complete your benefit elections prior to your open enrollment or new hire completion deadline. Please watch and share this video with anyone that helps you make your employee benefit decisions for you and your family. You can refer back to this video at any time during the benefit plan year. First, let's review your benefits and then walk you through the features of your benefit information website. The CSDI employee benefit package includes the following benefits: medical insurance with a telehealth component, short and long-term disability, life insurance and optional term life, accident insurance, dental and vision insurance, as well as health care accounts. All employees are enrolled in short and long-term disability insurance, as well as the employee life insurance benefit. Let's review your short and long-term disability coverage. CSDI helps protect your income if you're unable to work due to an off-the-job injury, illness, or maternity event. Here are the benefit details. The income benefit, which is paid to you weekly, is 60% of your gross monthly earnings. The benefits are payable to you on the 15th calendar day after your disability begins. The first 14 days, you are covering yourself through your paid time off, your sick leave, or previous paycheck savings, etc. The benefit duration for short-term disability events is 11 weeks per disability event. If it is a maternity event, the maternity benefit pays a maximum of 6 weeks for a regular delivery and a maximum of 8 weeks for C-section delivery. If also maternity benefits, the income benefit is paid in a lump sum for all weeks that you are covered versus a weekly benefit. Your weekly disability benefit will be shown in the benefits platform. As you're automatically enrolled, it'll simply show you on the specify your coverage section the actual weekly benefit amount based off of the input annual income from your employer. CSDI continues to protect your income if you're unable to work due to an off-the-job injury or illness. Benefit details are similar. The income benefit is still 60% of your gross monthly earnings. However, in a long-term disability, your benefit is paid on a monthly basis. The benefits are payable on the 91st calendar day after your disability begins. This is designed to complement the short-term disability policy, which will pay you up to that 90th day. The benefit duration is up to age 65 with a minimum of 2 years of your own occupation, which simply means the job that you are hired at CSDI to perform. Your monthly disability benefit will be shown in the benefits platform, just like on the short-term plan. That section will show you your monthly disability income benefit. Your employee life insurance coverage. CSDI provides every full-time employee life insurance benefit to help with beneficiaries in the event of your death while employed with the company. That benefit is a $25,000 benefit. Again, there's simply nothing you need to do as far as electing the benefit outside of keeping your beneficiaries up to date on the benefit enrollment platform, which you can update at any time you need to throughout the year. The medical insurance for the 2023 benefit plan year will be Regence Blue Shield of Idaho. Before we go into the plan options and specifics, we want to make sure that you are aware of a few medical insurance terms that'll help you understand your plans and help you make your decisions on which plan is the best fit for you and your family. First term is a copay. It's a simple term that basically states that you pay a fixed dollar amount for specific medical services such as a doctor's visit or prescription purchase. The insurer will pick up the rest of the cost for that doctor's visit or prescription. You just pay the smaller fixed dollar amount. A deductible. This is the amount the plan member is responsible for eligible medical services before the health insurance begins to pay a portion of costs such as emergency room visits, diagnostic exams, hospitalizations, and surgery. Typically, the member is 100% responsible for the cost of those procedures. That is applied towards the deductible. Now, once the deductible has been met, the next term kicks in, and that's called the coinsurance. And this is a percentage of the eligible medical expenses that are shared between you, the plan member, and the insurer after you meet your plan deductible. Out-of-pocket limit, or often otherwise referred to as the out-of-pocket maximum. This is the maximum a member is responsible for in a calendar year for all eligible medical expenses, including the deductible of their plan, copays paid after they've met their deductible, and the coinsurance amount. Once the out-of-pocket limit is met, the insurer pays 100% of all eligible medical expenses incurred in that calendar year for the plan member. The Regents plan have two network options that you can choose plans from. The first network option is St. Luke's Health Partners, which includes St. Luke's, Salzer Medical Group, and Primary Health Medical Group. The second network option is the Regents PPO, which includes the St. Luke's Health Partners we just reviewed, St. Alphonsus, Treasure Valley Hospital, West Valley Medical Center, 96% of physicians and facilities in Idaho, and a vast network throughout the country with the Blue Network. Here are the 5 plan options that you can choose from as an employee of CSDI, so that you can choose the plan that makes the best sense for you as the type of plan, the network the plan's attached to, the deductibles, the out-of-pocket expenses, copays, etc. Please pause this screen to review at your discretion and compare plans. Preventive examinations. All the medical plan options that were on the former slide are covered in full, no cost to you, for specific preventive medical exams, also known as wellness exams. That would include an annual physical, mammogram, pap smear, specific blood screenings, immunizations. Please review your plan summary for the full details of all the preventive exams that are covered at no cost, regardless of which plan or plan network you choose. Also included in all plans is telehealth. Regents utilizes Doctor on Demand as their telehealth provider. Telehealth is there for medical and behavioral health care. Doctor on Demand provides convenient access 24/7, 365. You visit a doctor or a therapist via video chat. Common ailments treated for telehealth include allergies, ear problems, infections, pink eye, sinus issues, sore throat, UTIs, and so forth. Common behavioral health issues include addictions, depression, grief and loss, stress management. When you use Doctor on Demand, you are connecting with board-certified doctors and therapists who can diagnose and treat you for non-emergency conditions. They can also prescribe medications and send those medication requests directly to your pharmacy. Doctor on Demand visits are a $10 copay per virtual visit. If you are choosing a copay first plan type, the $10 virtual visit is available to you from day one before you met your plan deductible. If you have chosen a deductible first, HSA eligible plan, the virtual visit at the $10 copay is only available to you after you met your plan's deductible. Here are some additional benefits that are included in your plans, regardless of which plan you choose. Employee Assistance Program. This is also an additional resource to get help with support of life challenges. EAP offers free access to many services and discounts on others, including confidential counseling. You can receive up to 4 counseling sessions for a number of different issues related to relationships, work stress, and other common challenges. 24-hour crisis help, online consultations, peer support groups, and additional services. Member wellness incentives. Within the first 120 days of being enrolled in your plan, you have the ability to earn a $100 gift card for taking 3 steps to assess your wellness benchmarks. Step 1, complete a health assessment. This is accessible through your online portal once you are enrolled in the Regions plan. Step 2, complete your biometric screen. Regions connects you to Quest Diagnostics that you can provide an in-person biometric screen, or you can also request the home kit version, which they'll mail to you directly. You perform the tasks within the kit, and then you send those results back to Quest Diagnostics. Once those 2 steps are completed, step 3 is simply going back to your online portal within Regions and redeeming your points and claiming your gift card with the vendor of choice. CSDI also offers employees healthcare accounts. Included in the healthcare accounts is the HSA, Health Savings Account, the HRA, Health Reimbursement Arrangement, and FSAs, Flexible Spending Accounts. The HSA, Health Savings Account, is a specialized savings account which allows eligible employees to save money to pay for future qualified healthcare expenses such as deductibles, co-insurance, prescriptions, as well as out-of-pocket dental and vision expenses. To enroll in an HSA, you must be enrolled in an HSA-eligible medical insurance plan. We refer to those on our comparison as the deductible first plans. Your contribution to the HSA is a pre-tax payroll contribution. This reduces your employee payroll taxes that you pay each paycheck, providing you additional tax savings. The HSA is set up through CSDI, but is 100% owned by you, the employee. The HSA funds, what you contribute to your account, rolls over year to year. There is not a use it or lose it principle with a health savings account. HSA funds earn interest and can be allocated to investment options. HRA, the Health Reimbursement Arrangement, is an account set up and funded by CSDI to reimburse employees for eligible healthcare expenses if you are enrolled underneath the CSDI medical plan options. How it works. The employer will reimburse you, the employee, up to $4,000 of eligible deductible or co-insurance expenses. The maximum is $2,000 for an individual deductible and co-insurance, and an additional $2,000 for meeting any family deductible or co-insurance expenses. The employee pays the first $1,250 towards any individual and family deductible before this reimbursement arrangement is eligible. FSAs. A healthcare FSA is a flexible spending account, basically an arrangement between you and CSDI that lets you save tax-free dollars to pay for known eligible healthcare expenses. How this works is that you can contribute up to $3,050 per year from tax payroll contributions. Funds can be used to pay for any qualified out-of-pocket medical, dental, prescription, and vision expenses for not only the account holder, but also for legal spouse and any tax dependents. There is a $500 account balance rollover maximum, meaning that if you were to elect Anything over $500 and not use anything less than $500, the remaining funds will be forfeited. The FSA for healthcare expenses is not eligible if you are enrolled in the health savings account plan options. It is best used and eligible for if you're enrolling in a co-pay first medical plan option. The dependent daycare FSA is, again, a specific type of a spending account set up through your employer that allows you to use tax-free dollars to pay for dependent daycare expenses. Employees can contribute up to $5,000 per year. Funds can be used to pay for any qualified dependent care expenses. Funds must be available in the account before the reimbursement or payment to the provider exists. The next benefit that we'll review is the optional term life insurance. Employees have the option to purchase term life insurance through payroll deduction. The maximum is $100,000 for the employee, $20,000 for spouse, and $10,000 for each child under the age of 26. If you are a new eligible employee, those dollar amounts have guaranteed approval, meaning that there are no health questions that need to be answered. If you're a previously eligible employee that waived coverage, you can still enroll, but are required to answer a few health questions for overall insurer approval. Please note that rate changes when employees enter the higher 5-year age band, meaning that within 5 years of you enrolling in the term life insurance, the rate will increase based off your new attained 5-year age band age. These policies are convertible to a permanent individual policy at retirement of change of employer. You simply need to communicate with the insurer principal within 30 days of your employment separation, retirement, or job change to communicate that you want to convert your individual term policy to a permanent policy, and they will provide you all the information you need to make that change and choose your coverage preference. Accident insurance. So what exactly is an accident insurance? Well, it's a policy that's designed to pay fixed cash benefit amounts for the diagnosis of a specific injury experienced by you or someone else in your family that is covered by this policy. The benefits received by this policy are not impacted by your medical insurance coverage or any other insurance covering the injury, meaning that the dollar amounts payable to you are yours regardless of whatever your insurance does. Benefit amounts payable, here's an example. If someone were to fracture an upper extremity, a bone in the upper extremity, or a similar type of dislocation, if it requires treatment but non-surgical treatment, there's a $1,500 benefit payable. If that injury requires surgical treatment, then the benefit is doubled to $3,000. Here's an example of dollars payable if it's a lower leg. So an example is someone had a lower leg fracture. It required surgery to repair that fracture. Then the benefit amount would be the $5,000 you see on the screen under surgical repair. If it's a simple casting and bone setting to repair, then it's a $2,500 benefit. The design of these benefits is that the money comes to you. You do with it as you see fit to help you offset your medical expenses. Here's an example of the other types of benefit amounts payable for all the different types of injuries that could occur: dislocations, fractures, non-specified injuries, internal injuries, cartilage, tendon, ligament repair, etc. Dental insurance. So dental insurance will be with principal. Here's the basic benefit summary. Your annual benefit is $1,250 per enrolled member. Your preventive services are covered at 100% for routine exams, cleanings, x-rays. The annual deductible on the plan is $50 per member, up to a maximum of $150 per family. Basic services, which include fillings and sealants, root canals, extractions, oral surgery. The insurer's covering 80%, you pay 20%. Major services, which include crowns, bridges, dentures, is split equally between you and the insurer. Please note that whatever the insurer is covering, regardless of the 100%, 80%, or 50%, that is all being drawn from your annual maximum benefit of $1,250 per calendar year. The annual maximum benefit has an accumulation feature. So if your dental benefits paid are less than 50% of your annual maximum, which is $1,250, you can roll over 25% of that annual maximum to the next plan year, so that you would have additional maximum benefit dollars to use in the next calendar year. That can accumulate up to twice the amount of your annual maximum benefit, which would be $2,500. So this is an excellent feature to help you do more with your dental care as needed in future years, so that you can get more out of your dental plan and pay less out of pocket. Vision insurance plan. Vision exams are a $10 copay within network providers. Lenses for your eyeglasses, there is a $25 copay. For standard lenses, if you are looking for or need progressive lenses, etc., then there will be a higher copay for those included in your benefit package. Frames, you're provided a $130 frame allowance and then a 20% discount off the balance above $130. Contacts, you pay a $25 copay. Please note that vision policies do not cover frames and lenses in the same benefit period of contacts. So it's one or the other that your vision policy will cover for that benefit period. And your benefit period is actually based off of your initial service date. So it's off the anniversary of your service date. So if you are enrolling in vision, please utilize your vision benefits sooner in the calendar year, so that 12 months later you can reutilize your benefits and get the most out of that benefit package. All right, well, thank you for reviewing the benefits with us. The next steps are very simple. Review your benefit information. We're going to skip over to your benefit information site and show you that. Contact 2A Benefits with any questions, and then complete your benefit elections online, which we'll also review here in the next 2 minutes of this video. Enrollment deadline. So if you are viewing this video for your 2022 benefits enrollment, please complete your benefit elections by Wednesday, November 30th. If you are a new hire employee in calendar year 2023, complete your benefit elections by the 15th of the month prior to your benefit eligible date. CSDI will assist you with this and showing you what your benefit eligible date is. The final couple minutes of the benefits overview will be walking you through your benefits information website. This will be provided to you by HR. This information here on this website will illustrate all of your benefit information. The first view that you'll see here your upcoming plans when we're in the 2023 plan year, and you'll notice that we have these benefit tiles that actually discuss each of your benefits in more detail, etc. So as an example, when you click on the Regions tile, you will see that it has the Regions logo, phone number, email address, member login, video here about the online experience with Regions to set up your member portal, the member guide here, PDF, your 5 plan options summaries that you can simply click on them. The PDF will open up. You can print off, you can download for future use as you need to, or you can simply refer back to this benefit tile 24/7 as needed. Your provider search, prescription drug lists are all right here for you, so that you do not have to remember all the different places that you need to go, but you will need to remember your login information when you do click over to the login portal. If you are a new user, then you'll need to create an account, and it'll simply walk you through the steps of what you need: your email, create a username, last name on your ID card, the last 4 digits of your ID member number, which shows you on your card, and then etc. Then you can create your account. Within this account, you can see your explanation of benefits, which is a document that you need that helps you understand what you pay for any of your care coverage needs, and also claims, etc. Each of these benefit tiles have similar information. So on your healthcare accounts, you can simply look at the flexible spending account guide, the health savings account guide, your HRA benefit summary, videos that explain those features in further detail, as well as the FSA for dependent care. The phone number and email address to APA Benefits, which is your administrator for the healthcare accounts, are right here as well. Furthermore, if you're looking for your new dental provider, again, you can view your dental benefit summary here. Click the provider search link here to say, okay, I want to see if my dentist or which dentist is available, and you're simply going to plug in your zip code and click continue. You can see how far you want to look out in your area, and then it'll tell you right here, hey, we have 83 in-network dentists, and therefore we can go ahead and search through here. You can also put in the dentist's last name if you know that information. This will help you easily search for the proper dentist for you. So again, you don't need to know all of these different links and places to go that are simply right here for you. When it comes to filing a claim, such as on your accident policy, which pays you benefits for having an injury, then the information's right here, video that explains what the benefit's about, the summary, and then start the accident claim. Takes you directly to the information you need, and then you can download the claim form. It gives you the additional information, etc. After you've reviewed your benefit information through the benefit tiles, please note that you can access this anytime throughout the year, and please have your spouse also bookmark this page on their mobile device or home computer. Benefit pricing is set right here, so you can see exactly what the per paycheck cost is for each of the benefit options that you elect, and also the things that are provided to you at no cost as well. So please review that. Then once you've done reviewing your benefits, and it's time to make your benefit elections, you click on the Enroll Benefits tab. You can watch the video here that simply explains how you log in, how to access and navigate the platform. If you are a current employee, you are already in the platform and have used this once before. If you're a new employee, this is excellent. It's a couple minutes to watch, and it'll help you when you navigate. Once you've finished reviewing the video and you're ready to go in and make your benefit elections, or at least start your benefit elections, go to Benefits Enrollment Center. You will see the CSDI logo, your username and password boxes. Your username will be your email address. So that could be your work email, or it can be your personal email. Please ask your HR contact which email address is the one that you can log in with. If you have not emailed or entered the platform before, use the forgot password, click your email, and then click submit. It'll send you the password creation link. If you've forgotten and you've already entered the platform before, but you forgot your password, you use the same process. Once you have enrolled, you will be inside the platform, just as this video indicates, and you'll be able to look at your benefit elections, your options, make those benefit selections. As you see over in the right-hand corner, there is a shopping cart feature that automatically calculates what your contributions per paycheck are. Once you're through that point, you'll add your beneficiaries for all the exam policies that require it. You will sign your forms directly online. There is no paper in our processes. You'll review those forms, you'll apply the signature, and then congratulations, you're done. When the taskbar says 100% complete, then you can click finish. You're welcome to put in information telling us what you like best about your benefits, what was your enrollment experience like, etc. Thank you for watching the Benefits Overview video. Reach out to 208 Benefits with any questions, and happy enrolling.